Get it! Oh. Get it, baby! Hurry! Right there, look! That one! What is that?
That Mr. Potato Head?
Okay, that's not necessary, Isa. Wow! What is it? What is it, baby?
That's pretty cool, right? You can put small pieces in. What?
Okay, Isa, you already opened it on the other side.
Gotta do it right.
It's all gotta come off, right? Here. Oh, man! Now can you look at it?
Oh, wow.
What is it?
Potato Head.
Oh!